Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni. I just decided to start a new vlog today. So if you are seeing my face, please click on the subscribe button, and also please don't watch without liking this video. So it's currently 6:30 a.m. right now, and I'm preparing my son's lunchbox. And I want to quickly make spaghetti for one of them. They requested for it. I'm going to be having a very busy day today. I have 2 interviews. And one of it I'm so excited because it's a place I have been trying to get into. I applied sometime last year and they had to cancel the interview. I later got a mail stating that they will not be having the interview again because they found out that I don't have up to 6 months experience in Canadian experience. So they had to cancel that interview. Then this year I applied again to that company. I got to the last stage, but I wasn't picked. But I knew that it doesn't have anything to do with me because I gave it my best during the interview. At the end of the day, I wasn't picked. So maybe they had a lot of people that applied, and before it got to my turn, I didn't impress them enough. I don't know, but I wasn't picked. But so sometime last week, I got a mail from someone saying, "Oh, this job is available. If I'm interested, I should send in my resume." So when I saw that email, I told my husband I wasn't going to send my resume over the weekend because I was supposed to send it. She said I should send it before 9 a.m. the following week. Monday was a public holiday. So I told my husband I wasn't going to send in. Give me a minute, please. So I told my husband I wasn't going to send the mail that weekend because I didn't want her to miss my mail. If I had sent it by the time she gets to work on Tuesday, she must have had a lot of mails, and my mail can be easily missed. So I waited till yesterday, which was Tuesday, and immediately after my kids went to school, I sent in my resume, and I wasn't expecting to get a reply immediately. So I went into the shower. When I was taking a shower, my husband called me that I had a call. And when he mentioned the name, I had to rush out of the shower. So I gave her a call back because the call was already missed. And she spoke with me. We had a little chat. And she said she was going to send him my resume to the company. So she did. And lo and behold, 1 hour later, I got a call from the company. So I got a call from the company and I had to do another round of the interview. I wasn't prepared and all that. But thank God it was successful. It was just a little bit of chat about my experience and my background and my career. So we've scheduled an interview for this morning, and after we scheduled the interview, I settled down to resume for the day. And I got another call from another company, although I can't remember when I applied to that company, but I got a call and I scheduled the interview for this morning too at around 10:30 a.m. and yeah, so even though I don't remember applying to that company, but I'm still going to attend the interview. But I'm praying that I get that first job because it's a place I had always is a company that I've been wishing to get into. So I just wanted to update you guys about it. So guys, wish me luck. I just want to quickly pack my kids' school lunch box. Then I'll go and take a shower and get dressed.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Scary house, that was the scariest.
scariest
Last year. And then
Which house? Is it that first house?
no, the one like behind us.
The one
Our
that they have
house.
behind our house.
Yes,
It was scariest one last
and
year.
then Oba went to go and press one of the doors. He was like, holy mother! And then
One of the dogs started talking. They're like,
and then I almost fell down. Thank God my lunch bag was there. I was like, whoo! And then I placed my lunch bag on the grass. And then I started running and laughing.
Good. Oh yeah, let's go and sit.
That was the scariest one. Started running.
That's my jacket. Can you remove your jacket from the floor, Cindy?
I'm going to see.
You're going at 6. I'll be going around. Okay, it's still dark outside.
Yes. That's what you have to experience almost every day.
Wait. Oh yeah, say it again.
A cat boy. There you go.
Oh yeah, the next person. My battery is down.
I'm a bunny. Whee!
If you die now, I'm
Yeah, I see Captain.
I'm sea captain cat.
Look.
Feeling the drip? Yeah.
There you go.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Baby. Come and stand here. Come. Say hello. Two letters. Eat. Sit. Sit. excited. Those people. So we'll soon be heading out to church. And this is what I'm wearing. Yeah, after church we'll go to your cousin's house.
Let me just come back here.
I don't know.
I'm sorry, bring my own.
Catch you guys later.
You can join, but do not go. Don't go.
Hi. Today is the beginning of a new journey for me. I just got a new job and I'm on my way to pick up my computer. The job is an hybrid job. I'll have to be in the office one day in the week. So today I'm going to go and see my new office, then get my computer and meet my manager. And today is just setting up of the computer and meeting the manager. Tomorrow the training starts. I'm so excited for this journey, and I pray that the Lord will go before me, with me and after me. I will have no regrets leaving my current job. And wish me luck, guys. I'm in the garage because it's Monday morning and my husband just went to drop the kids off at school, so he'll be coming back to pick me up and take me to the office. So see, I'm in the garage. Wish me luck, guys. They asked to dress business casual, so I'm wearing a shirt, regular shirt, a pants, trousers, and my regular white shoe. So I'm back home and I've set up my computers. Seriously snowing outside. I fixed my nails yesterday and they're almost all out. But I love the nails. They look so natural. Your girl got a new job and today's my first day. Today's the official first day of work. Yesterday we resumed and it was all setting up of our computers and logging in. So I'm excited to start this new journey. I'll catch you guys later. You won't show now, your pants will not show. Can you see? Face me. Can you do your stomach well? You already wash your face. Did you see your other gloves? Are you not always cold in the morning before you will enter your car? Yeah, put your leg up. Yeah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall.
So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.